Before Mick Jagger became a rock and roll legend, his path was very different. He was not always set on a life of music. In the early 1960s, Mick Jagger was a bright student. He attended the London School of Economics on a government grant. His studies were serious. He was even considering a career in journalism or politics. This was a very different future than singing on stages worldwide. He could have been a writer or a public figure in a suit. But destiny had other plans for him. The lure of rock and roll proved too strong to ignore. His choice changed music history forever. Imagine a world without his iconic voice and stage presence. His academic background is a lesser-known part of his story. It shows a different side to the rock star. The Rolling Stones' tongue and lips logo is famous worldwide. It is a symbol recognized by millions. Most people know it was designed by John Pash, but few know its true inspiration. Mick Jagger gave Pash a very specific idea. He showed Pash an image of the Hindu goddess Kali. Kali is often shown with a long, protruding tongue. This powerful image spoke to Jagger. He wanted a logo that captured that raw energy. Pash also looked at Jagger's own lips for inspiration. The blend of ancient divinity and modern rebellion created the iconic design. It perfectly captured the band's daring spirit. This surprising origin makes the logo even more special. It connects rock with ancient mythology. The Sticky Fingers album cover is one of the most iconic ever made. Its design features a real working zipper. Andy Warhol is often credited with the main idea for the crotch shot. But the functional zipper itself was a major challenge. It needed a brilliant mind to make it work. Graphic designer Craig Braun was that person. He suggested and engineered this clever element. It was not easy to produce. The zipper caused problems during printing. It often scratched the vinyl records inside. Braun had to find a way to make it safe. His inventive solution allowed the album to be special. This detail shows the hidden genius behind famous art. It made the cover more than just an image. The Sticky Fingers album cover faced problems in many places. The working zipper and suggestive image were too much for some. In Francoist Spain, the government was very strict. They banned the original cover completely. Spanish fans could not buy the album with its famous zipper. This led to a very unusual solution. The record company had to create a new cover just for Spain. This alternative cover became very famous in its own right. It showed a tin can with sticky fingers poking out. It was a strange and memorable image. This change highlights the different cultural views of the time. It also shows the band's impact around the world. The classic Rolling Stones song Sister Morphine has a deep, dark feel. It is a powerful track from their Sticky Fingers album. Many fans know Mick Jagger and Keith Richards wrote it, but a crucial part of its story is often missed. Marianne Faithfull co-wrote the lyrics to this song. She contributed significantly to its creation. However, she was denied songwriting credit for many years. This was due to complex contractual and legal issues. It took decades for her to receive proper recognition. She finally got the credit she deserved much later in her career. This story highlights the struggles artists sometimes face. It shows the fight for fair treatment in the music industry. The song Honky Tonk Women is a lively and well-loved classic. Its rhythm and lyrics are instantly recognizable. Most fans think of cowboys and bars when they hear it, but its title has a very unexpected source. Mick Jagger once shared this surprising fact. The idea for the title came to him from a book. He was reading Thomas Hardy's novel, A Pair of Blue Eyes. Hardy was a famous English writer. His 1872 novel is far from a rock and roll theme. This literary spark shows how inspiration can come from anywhere. It proves that great art can connect in strange ways. The name came from a quiet book, not a loud bar. The Rolling Stones Mobile Studio, or RSMS, is legendary. This custom-built truck became vital to their sound. It was not just a vehicle, it was a traveling recording hub. Many of their greatest albums were recorded inside it. Classics like Exile on Main Street came from its walls. Goat's Head Soup also took shape there. It allowed the band to record in unique places. They captured raw, authentic sounds far from traditional studios. The RSMS became almost a band member itself. It helped define an era of rock music. Its impact on music history is huge. It brought the studio to the artists, not the other way around. The story of the Rolling Stones Mobile Studio did not end with the Stones. After many years of service, it was time for a change. In 1980, the band decided to sell their famous studio truck. Its next owner was another rock legend. Pete Townsend of The Who bought the RSMS. He wanted it for his own personal studio setup. This transfer of ownership connected two great British bands. The mobile studio continued its musical journey. It recorded new sounds for a different artist. Its legacy lived on, helping to create more iconic rock music. This shows how important this studio truly was. It had a life beyond just one band. The Rolling Stones finally played a historic free concert in Cuba in 2016. It was a groundbreaking event. But this was not Mick Jagger's first attempt to play there. Decades earlier, in the late 1970s, he had a similar idea. Mick Jagger initiated discussions to perform a free concert in Cuba back then. He hoped to bring their music to the Cuban people. However, the complex political climate made it impossible. The plan sadly fell through at that time. It took nearly 40 more years for the dream to come true. This shows Jagger's long-held wish to connect with Cuba. It highlights his persistent vision for music to cross borders. Bill Wyman was the quiet foundation of the Rolling Stones. He played bass with precision for many years. But beyond his music, he had a unique role in the band. Bill Wyman was their meticulous unofficial archivist. He kept detailed records of almost everything. His personal collection included diaries, photographs, and receipts. He saved press clippings and even recordings. He documented nearly every aspect of the band's career. He started this from their very beginning. This personal archive is a treasure trove of history. It offers an intimate look at the band's journey. Wyman's dedication preserves countless moments for future fans.